Hello guys, welcome back to my channel YouTube Speaking News. Today I have good news for share to everyone. For 2022, the Jetta gets a mild makeover that includes tweaked exterior styling, new standard and optional features, and an engine upgrade from the VW Taos subcompact SUV. Replacing the Jetta's old 147 HP 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is a 158 HP 1.5-liter Turbo 4. The lineup also replaces the R-Line trim with a sportier sport model. Along with its own distinctive styling, it rides on 17-inch wheels, and includes an electronically locking front differential. The base S model now comes with more standard features, too, including an 8.0-inch fully digital gauge cluster and driver assists such as automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. The 2022 Jetta is expected to go on sale sometime this fall. The new sport trim level strikes us as the Jetta to get, with a host of unique design elements and a price tag that's not too steep. The Sport standard equipment includes unique 17-inch wheels, black exterior and interior accents, and an electronically locking front diff for improved performance traits versus the rest of the lineup. Every Jetta powers the front wheels with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder that makes 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The base model has a standard 6-speed manual transmission, but an 8-speed automatic is optional. We haven't had the opportunity to test the Jetta's updated engine, but once we do, we can compare its acceleration times with the outgoing motor. While the sedan has a comfortable and quiet ride, its light steering is effortless, but lacks a feeling of precision. Compared with rivals such as the Mazda 3, the Jetta is rarely fun to zip around roundabouts, and leans into sharp corners when moving above the posted speed limit. Still, its serene nature will satisfy those who want complacent transportation. Volkswagen hasn't released fuel economy ratings for the 2022 Jetta's new engine. Once those figures are released, and we have the opportunity to test our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world MPG. Inside, the Jetta provides a sophisticated design and generous passenger space. Although the available features become more desirable with each higher trim, every cabin caters to the driver and boasts excellent outward visibility. Top content such as customizable ambient interior lighting, wireless device charging, and ventilated front seats are reserved for the most expensive models. Surprisingly, the Jetta held more carry-on bags than the regular Golf hatchback. The sedan held 7 bags in its trunk, compared with the 5 that fit behind the Golf's rear seat. Likewise, the Jetta held 3 extra bags more than the Golf, 18 total, with the back seats folded. The Jetta's interior cubby storage includes useful door pockets and a deep center console bin. Every Jetta has a responsive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Along with traditional volume and tuning knobs, the CarNet unit allows gesture controls for swiping and pinch to zoom. Likewise, every Jetta has a mobile hotspot as long as people are willing to pay for a subscription-based data plan. Wireless charging is standard on the top 2 trim levels. Even the entry-level Jetta comes with a handful of standard driver assistance technology, and upgraded equipment such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist are all available. For more information about the Jetta's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for receiving the news that you see first. Goodbye, see you at the next video.